big elephant. First, draw its head. A big circle. Black. Well done. Then draw 2 large ears. Wonderful! Now draw a long trunk. That's great! Make a big oval body for the elephant. Next, draw 2 thick legs. And 2 more legs. All you have left is a cute tail with a switch.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
Let's draw a spotted jaguar. First, draw its head. And a muzzle. Black. Good job! Now draw long whiskers. Wonderful! Draw spots on Jaguar's head. Excellent! And add round ears. How beautiful! Now draw its body. And add spots on its body. First rate, draw paws for your jaguar so it can run fast. And 2 more paws.
Ah. Yeah.
Draw a cheerful ostrich. Start with drawing its round head. Now, draw a large wedge-shaped beak. Draw an ostrich mouth. You are doing really well. And a funny lock of hair on its head. Beautiful! Now draw its long and thin neck. And a feathered collar. Fantastic! Now draw its large body. And a wing. Marvelous! Draw a long leg for your ostrich. Now it's time to draw another leg so your ostrich can run. Let's draw a proud lion. First, make a round head. Then, draw a muzzle and a mouth. Terrific! Now draw its long whiskers on the left and on the right. And small ears. Fantastic! Let's draw its magnificent mane. Nice one! Draw the lion's body. Very good. Don't forget to draw legs so your lion can run. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. There you go. Now draw a tail with a switch.